Dear students, for class 9, this is the revised question paper for physics, that is exam oriented questions comprises here. Only exam oriented questions will be there. This type of questions will be asked in our coming periodic test. All the questions will be of MCQ type. The question pattern will be same as I am here to upload it. So dear students, don't think that same question will be there. The type of questions will be same, not the questions will be same in the examination. The first question is here: calculate the momentum of an object of mass 20 gram moving with 12 meter per second. Means in this question, first of all you have to write the value for mass in kilogram. So gram should be converted into kilogram first by dividing it with 1000 or multiplying it with 10 to the power minus 3, and the velocity is given 12 meter per second. So mass is given, velocity is given, you have to calculate momentum. You know the formula, that is P is equal to mv. Then after solving this, you will get 4 options, out of which only one option will be correct. So first of all you have to solve the question and then you have to tick the answer. Only one answer out of those 4 will be correct. The second one is, what is the SI unit of displacement? So according to your concept, what will be the answer? That should be searched in the options. The SI unit of displacement is what? So again in this question you will have 4 options, four different options, out of which only one option will be the correct answer. So you will have to tick it over. Question number 3. When an object covers equal distances in equal interval of time, then the object is said to be in dash motion. When an object covers equal distances in equal interval of time, then which type of motion is this? And you have to search only one option out of the 4 options given, which will be correct. As for example, in this question the answer is uniform motion. So there will be 4 options, like in A it may be uniform, B non-uniform, C can't say, D all of these. So out of these 4 options, only one option is the correct answer. That you will have to tick it over. The fourth question is: 2 cars of masses 2000 kg each are moving with 80 km per hour and 54 km per hour respectively in opposite directions. After collision, the first car starts moving with 72 km per hour. Then the final velocity of the second car will be dash. In this question there are 2 cars, masses are same, so you have to write m1 is equal to 2000 kg, m2 is equal to 2000 kg. They are moving with 80 km per hour and 54 km per hour. So you have to write u1 is equal to 80 km per hour and u2 is equal to 54 km per hour. You have to convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second, that is into SI unit. So you can convert it into meter per second by just multiplying it with 5/18. Now they are moving in opposite directions, means u1 is equal to 80 km per hour, then u2 will be minus 54 km per hour, because they are moving in opposite directions. After collision, v1 will be 72 km per hour, so again you have to convert it into meter per second by just multiplying it with 5/18, and then you have to calculate the value for V2. So after calculating, you will have to tick the correct option. Again, dear students, in all the questions you will be having 4 options, because all the questions are MCQ type. So after solving it, you can select one option from the total given options which will be correct. Fifth one, the SI unit of force would be. Again, there will be 4 options. Example: joule, Newton, kg meter per second, meter per second. So you have to write here Newton, because the SI unit of force is Newton. Suppose Newton is given in option A, so your option A will be the correct answer. You have to tick it over. Sixth, the rate of change of velocity of an object is called as. You know the answer better, you'll have to tick it over. Question number 7, the another name of retardation will be. Again, here will be 4 options, 4 different options, out of which only one option will be the correct answer that you will have to select. 8th, all kind of motion is dash. As for example, in this question there will be 4 options. First one is suppose relative, second one superlative, third one commutative, fourth one none of these. Then you know the answer is relative, so you will have to tick option A as the correct answer. Question number 9, if an object applies a force of 5 Newton on another object, then the magnitude of force experienced by the first object would be dash. If an object applies a force of 5 Newton on another object, then the magnitude of force experienced by the first object would be dash. Again, there will be 4 options. In first, it will be 5 Newton, suppose. B, minus 5 Newton. C, 10 Newton. D, minus 10 Newton. Only one option will be the correct answer that you have to select and tick it out when you will have your examination. Then 10th one, Newton's first law of motion is also called the law of dash. You know it is also called the law of inertia. So out of 4 options you have to search where is inertia. Suppose in option number D it is inertia, you will have to select it out. So in this way you can give your examination, you can write your examination paper on online. The exam will be only on online mode. There is no need to come to school, and according to the instructions given by our principal sir, you will get your exam date sheet. So dear students, do not worry about the exam date also. Thank you.